Hey guys, it's Poet Spice Jamie Lola Tallulah, and I'm here with a combo haul and my tonic kit that came today. I'm just going to go ahead and show these things. I'm waiting on some more stuff from HSN because I went a little overboard on craft day. Oh, but that's okay. That's okay. We'll do a spending freeze at some point. Yeah, we'll try it. We'll try. All right, so let's go ahead and start with Crafter's Companion. So I ordered from Crafter's Companion UK site. And they had some items for the Totally Tiffany. And so I purchased one of their double-sided trays. You can see what it's called. The double-sided stamp and store and go. And as you see, they have it used for wood mount stamps. But I had a question in the Get Organized group because I have a bunch of these little square ink pads. And I wanted somewhere, you know, see if Totally Tiffany had something that would fit this. And then somebody said they use these, and I was like, that makes perfect sense. So I ordered one from their site because it was cheaper. Plus I am a platinum member, so I get 20% off. I also ordered some of the binder pages so I can set up my other 2 scrap racks. And then they had this. Now, 2 years ago, it was either not this year, but last year and the year before, I hosted a Gorgeous Girl monthly collab. And so I really like Gorgeous Girls, and they had this cute one, which I thought was just adorable. And it has some little antlers on it. And I don't use embossing folders very much, but I thought this was cute. So I went ahead and got it from their shop. So I just thought it was adorable. All right, then let's show Elizabeth Crafts. I want to say, I'd never ordered from this place before. I have some of their dyes, but I usually get them from somewhere else. And I want to say it was Memory Lane Keepsake, but it might have been someone else. But I think it was her. She showed a haul that she got with some of the stuff that was on sale. And so I said, let me go over there and try it since I've never ordered from them. So these little things are her fault. So they had this little cute bear stamp. And I love teddy bears. They're so adorable. Right? They're so adorable. So I bought the stamp set. And I bought the die set. And it was normally $15.95, and I think I paid like $5 or $6 for it. It wasn't very much. So the stamp and the die was less than the die. So I was like, yeah. And then she showed this in her haul. And you guys know I have been having this crazy obsession with houses and stuff. You would think, anyway, I guess I'm nesting. Even though I'm not pregnant. Oh gosh, that would be craziness. All right, so I got that. Then she showed these, and I was like, this is what made me immediately go, stop her video, and head over to Elizabeth Crafts. This was so cute. Look at these little gingerbread people. And I love them because they're just kind of, I don't even know. Well, you see what they're like, but it's just so like cute and sketchy versus like real prim and proper edges. I loved it. And then this little cup. So it's so cute. And then, of course, they had the die, so I had to get it because, you know, I don't like fussy cutting when I don't have to. So that was my Elizabeth Crafts haul, and I want to say it is due to Memory Lane's Keepsake. If I'm wrong, I'm sorry. So we have that. Then, this was my favorite thing from HSN. So, they had this house. Surprise, surprise, right? It's the Cozy Cottage. So let me know if you would like to see a video of putting this together. So they had the Cozy Cottage die and stamp set where you create. Look at that. How cute is that? Totally cute. Totally cute. Right? Right. I love it. So I, of course, immediately put that in my basket as soon as it went on sale. So you get these stamps to create like the shingles. and some siding and so forth. And you get these little home sweet home things. And I like this. It's a little handmade with love little stamp that you can put on the back of your cards. Of course, you get an extra folder, which is good because, like I say, I run mine in the ground. And then here's your die. So here's the add-on pieces to decorate. And then there's your base. There's the one that cut out that little handmade stamp. There's to make your tree. And there's your shutters and your window. No, that might be I think that's the door. The shutters and the door. So that's just cute. I can't wait to play with that one. So let me know if you would like to see a video putting this one together, like I put the other one together. All right, then, last but not least, I got a big old, and I have more coming because I just absolutely loved this Little Darlings release. And I was like, oh my gosh, I'm going to be so broke. So I got these from the Not Too Shabby Shop. Of course I did. And look at this little sticker. Be on the lookout. Because that's a cute little sticker. So my free with 60 was this Catherine Pooler North Pole. What do you call this? Sequin mix. So that was cute. And then I went overboard on the Little Darlings. I have another one because some of them were like not in stock yet. So I had to go back and do another order. So you have this 2-part stencil to create the little street. Isn't that cute? You got your toy store, your gift shop. And so it looks like that. And of course you can use whatever colors you want to. It's so adorable. Look at the little Jack in the Box. So I got that. Then they had this scene, which is too cute, called the Ice Valley. And believe it or not, I did not get the die. Now I may break down and get it, but I figured, you know, here's the scene. The only thing you would really need it for is this log. And I'm like, that's simple enough. I can fussy cut. So I just bought the stamp and not the die. I know. Shocker. So I got that one. Then they had a new banner die. So they had this little curved one, which I like. And I wanted to get the straight one before, but then I'm glad I waited because I like this banner one more. And then I got a stamp set to go with it. So this one is Pumpkin Kisses and Harvest Wishes. So I got the fall one. I didn't get the Christmas one. So there you can see. Although there's one on there that says something about naughty or nice for the other one. Okay, so then they had this one. Now this is the same bear they had with the strawberries, but I didn't like that one. But this one I thought was absolutely cute. And that's what they look like colored up. Now this one, the die wasn't in stock when I placed my order and I didn't want to wait. So I went ahead and ordered this one, and then it was in stock, and so that's in one of the orders the other order that I placed. So then they had this one, which is City Sidewalks, which you have people with their little presents and their winter outfits, and she's about to fall over with her little presents. So how cute is that? And I love them. I think they're a little bit, yeah, they're a little bit bigger than the ones for the gingerbread house. But they are so cute. Which means I got the die, of course. Yes, we did. And then they had this one. This little Trusted Friends. These little mice with their big jumbo ears are too cute. Although when you look at it, it's like some of their ear patterns don't make sense. Like, why is that part right there? Instead of the other way around. But anyway, they're still adorably cute. And him and his little cane. Look at that. He's just... like he's singing a song or being like, I love you, darling. I love you. So then you can see him here colored up. And her just running with her little basket is so cute. And then I got the die. So I have 2 die sets and a stamp set coming for that. All right, let's go ahead and go with this Tonic Craft Kit. And I'm not going to give its own video. We're just going to go with it. So this is Craft Kit. We'll see what number it is, because I don't remember. So, they give you this little thing that shows you their new stuff. And, actually, this is the one in the kit. And then, the items on here. They have some gorgeous papers in here. This month you got the Tonic folder, which is awesome because you can hold your little kits in there. It's Tonic 36. So we'll hold on to that for a second. All right, let's go with these Nouveau drop thingies that we got this time. So let's just break it out, see what we got. What do we have in this package? So here we have some glacier paste in this goldish, greenish color. I don't know what it's called. I can't read it. Okay. So somewhere on this card it'll tell us what it is. So we've got that glacier paste. Then we have Nouveau drops. Can I say I love their Nouveau drops, even though sometimes I forget that I have them. So this one is Glitter Drop, and it is Honey Gold. That's what that one is. So that was pretty. Then we have this one, which is Nouveau Glitter. And it's supposed to be really thick and stay where it's put. So it's called Aztec Gold. And I thought it was the other one I got, but it's not. So I'm happy about that. So it's copper and gold. Yay. So we have that. Then we got 2 pots of glitter. And I hardly ever really use glitter. But this red is really pretty. So we got those 2. Then you got some washies. So needless to say, I'm not thrilled about these. I like this one because this is more red. So these will end up being used as stuff to hold my dies down. And then we got the Blush Rosette Gold Shimmer Pen. Look at that. Ooh. Can we say fabulous? That's awesome. Hey, jokey then. Let's move this. Do you see this paper? You see how lovely that paper is? That is so awesome. I'm getting sick of these little kids sitting around here running and screaming and hollering. It's like, go in front of your own house. So look how pretty that is. That is gorgeous. That is a gorgeous color. And you have some of their gold. I love these. I don't know. I forget what they call them all the time, but this pebbly look is gorgeous. They've got this brush kind of gold. This is yummy. Look at that. We got some glitter gold. And then this really rich red one. It's even hard to try to get it in there because of how shiny it is. Ooh. And then this one. And I showed you the glitter gold. How gorgeous is that, right? Oh, it's paper you want to hoard. Which means I'll end up hoarding it. Okay, so then you have your stamps and dies, and it's love, peace, and joy. So we're just going to take our little sticker and swap it on down. Love, peace, and joy. So you get this stamp set. I like that font. So cute. And you get the dies to make that bag. So I don't know where I put it, but you get the dies to make the bag. So here's this. And you've got 2 different decorations, 2 different words that can go in the center, a tag. Make sure you can see it. There you go. A tag, like a circle tag. This little piece here must go, wonder where that goes. This little piece right here. Well, we can figure it out. Then you've got 2 of these and 2 more words. 2 more pieces here. So that's going to go on the sides. Here's your layering piece to go right there. And then these would go here on the sides. Oh, so where are these going? Oh, I see what they're going to do. They're doing half. So you have a half circle. So you can either make this half of the circle and flip it, or you can put both of these in there. That's what that is for. And then this oval does the same thing. So you have this, so you can split. That's what that is. But there should be another one of these then. And then this little piece is the layer that goes in here, so you can cut that out. Oh, that's kind of cute. I'm going to have to play with this box. Okay, so that is my little, or not so little, set of stuff that came in the last few days. And then when my HSN comes in, I will let you know. Also, let me know if you would like to see a tutorial on this, and if you would like to see a tutorial on the diamond press house. If you want to see any coloring tutorials, I did a few color calms earlier during the pandemic. So let me know if you would like to see those kind of videos again too. All right, thanks for watching, you guys. Stay safe out there. Send prayers up for everybody in this crazy world that we live in. And I shall see you at another time. Bye-bye.